if I could get lucky. Ooh, that's a big hole. Still could catch fish. That's all that matters. Woo! If that doesn't catch anything, I don't know what would.
That was beautiful.
Thank you. Beautiful with. Oh, let's go. Wait, what is this? This is I caught a weight. Oh wow, free weight. These are like $1.50 to $2. Good catch. Oh, and a big old treble hook. It's been here for so long, it's resting up. Oh, look at that. Oh, don't let 'em. All right. It's a beautiful fish with a beautiful woman. A beautiful background. Life is beautiful. All right, little buddy. Off you go.